Hello, quick presentation to show you the prototype. Yeah, this is the home screen. There is a little bit of interactiveness on each of the element and each of the images, and maybe we can use them as a navigation or to present anything. And then we have a little navigation and an animation to keep scrolling with the navigation, and then we have the next section. Um, yeah, we have the next section, and then we can keep scrolling down to see the different sections, and then we go to the end where these images are not exactly as the design, but yeah, I think I can show you what I really wanted to show. And then we have the call to action. I know when we have the over, the arrow goes to the other side because I'm doing a rotate, because I'm actually using the other arrow that I will show you later. It's obviously very easy to fix, but yeah, I just wanted to show you this option. And then we go to the next section that we have this arrow, that this is the arrow that I'm using in the last button with a rotate. But yeah, and then we can go back to the first component, and the design should be at least somewhat responsive. Yeah, exactly. It's not 100% responsive, but the structure should at least adapt to the mobile devices. Yeah, not 100%, but it's at least presentable. And this is the code. So um, I did an extra component that maybe was not necessary, that it was the header component. But eventually, yeah, the header component is going to be there, but maybe not for this presentation. I think it was not necessary. But yeah, this is the first component, the welcome screen, where we have the images of the moon and the array, and then we present them in the before with a transition group to make an animation or any kind of animation to introduce the on the welcome screen, and then some CSS, a little bit of CSS just for the animations. And then we have the index component. We have the app just with a few little just classes and general classes. And then we have the index, that is where the whole um, sections are appear. So yeah, we have it divided by blocks, and then I have a little accessibility tag just to present the block that is coming with a section introduction, and then the title of the block, um, and then we go and then we present the rest of the data. Maybe we could have made a before to present each of the blocks and just use the JavaScript. But yeah, improvement we can do them eventually. And let me show you a little bit of the JavaScript, because I have an object for each block, and I'm assuming that the text is coming from an API, so the client is actually using one single block of a text editor, so it's just coming up maybe a bunch of p's tags. So I'm handling the p tag that as if it's coming from an API, but yeah, we can manage as we want. And then we have some extra CSS. I know that with the Tailwind, you can do extra configurations, and I will get into that eventually. But now I had to do some little custom CSS with the colors and the backgrounds and the fonts. But I know that I will get the right configuration with the Tailwind to make it more efficient. And but yeah, the rest of the structure is using the Tailwind, that is actually very practical in and and yeah, you can I have also the repository on GitLab. I have it on public just for you. I don't know, I don't I will send you, I will have the link on the email, and also the video is unlisted on the YouTube, but as soon as you watch it and let me know, I will take it out. And yeah, voila, that's it. Just let me know what do you think. I know